If you're looking to create AI videos with real-time AI voice generation, Higgsfield with Kling 2.6 audio model is the best option. Kling 2.6 is a AI generation model that can generate videos together with audio at the same time. It can generate voice, dialogue, and sound effects in real time. So this is how it works. First, you put your input image reference. So whatever image you want to upload, you can upload it. Then you can write the prompt as detailed as possible. And after that, it will generate a AI video with real-time audio with Kling 2.6 audio. For example, this video, you can see it's a video, but it has audio as well. So you can see the video with real-time audio. To test this model, I went to this link. I will put this link in the description and then I will click on try native audio now. Here you can see that you can upload an image and write your prompt. You can enable or disable enhance on or off. That will improve your prompt. So I'll just enhance it. So I'll click on enhance on. I want the audio, so I have enabled it. And model, you need to choose Kling and 2.6, which is the latest one. You can change the duration, what duration you want. I will take 10 seconds. And aspect ratio, if you are uploading on YouTube, you can go with 16:9. If you want a short video, you can do 9:16 based on the preference. So what I will do is that I will test it out now. So let me upload a image. So I have uploaded the image of a glacier. Now in the prompt, I will just say to have a transformation in which this glacier will be converted to a volcano. So let's try it out. Create a attractive video. So I've written just 2 lines prompt. Let's see it can enhance the prompt and give you the best video. And let's click on generate. The video is generated now. Let's look at the video. Let's play it.
I have stood frozen for centuries. I have stood frozen for centuries.
Now I burn with the fury of the earth.
I
You can also play the video in the full screen.
have stood frozen for centuries.
Now I burn with the.
So this is how the video is generated. It looks very good. If you click on this 3 dots, you can download the video as well. So I click on the downloads and you can see that it will be downloaded in some time. So this is how it is. Let's try a different prompt and let's see if it works. You can see the video is also downloaded. You can play it and see if it is the same video.
I
You
have
can
stood
see it is
frozen for
perfect.
centuries.
Um, 10 seconds video. So now what I want to do is that I want to create a marketing video of a watch, which will be a short video so I can upload on Instagram or YouTube. So I'll go with aspect ratio. Let me just close this and I'll not upload any image, just a small prompt. So I'll say create a marketing video of watch. It should be very attractive and sellable. And audio is on, the model is perfect, 10 second. Let me put a shorts video and generate. All right, so the video is generated. Let's watch it now.
Discover timeless elegance captured in every detail. Your perfect companion for every moment.
You can also download this video. So to download, again, you need to click on these three dots and click on download. Wait for a few seconds. It will get downloaded and you can click on it.
Discover
So you
timeless
can
elegance
see that
captured
it has
in
created the
every
video in
detail.
a shorts format.
Your perfect companion for every moment.
So you can see that it has created a perfect video. So if you need a video for your marketing, for your YouTube channel or Instagram, I think this is the best platform you can use. So this is about Higgsfield. So what you need to do is that you can upload an image. By the way, you can upload multiple images, not just one. You can enable or disable audio, choose the model and duration and aspect ratio, and then your video will be created. Let's now look at the pricing. I think pricing is very generous. So I'll open the link. The most popular pricing is Ultimate. It is $24.5 per month, and with that you get access to all the models. And Here you can see there is unlimited access for very popular models, and with that you can try and generate your own AI videos with audio capability. Also, you can notice that Higgsfield is currently having the lowest price in the market for Kling 2.6 and other AI models. So you can definitely check it out. I have put the link in the description. So yeah, this is about it. If you want to generate AI videos like the one I generated now for marketing, for your own YouTube channel or anything, you can check it out and let me know how it works. Thank you so much for your time. And please do like, share, and subscribe.